Ni kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral guku Nairobi kuria etekia maranyitanĩire hamwe hari gukungwira mitha ya ICIARIRO. Etekia maranyitanĩra hari kuina nyimbo cia Christmas kana Christmas carols kuria maranyitanĩire hari kuhunjia ndumiriri ya wendo na thayu ihinda-ini riri ria THIGUKU.
We want to wish all Kenyans and people from other countries living among us a Merry Christmas, and we want to wish everybody a truly joyous occasion this festivity season.
I think this is a service I have attended all my life. From when I was born, my parents believed in this service every day, and therefore for me this is tradition. Let us share with our neighbors. That extra we have, let it not go to the dustbin. Let it not be more than enough. Let us share it with our neighbors. Let us share it in homes. We have so many homes.
Provost wa kanitha uyu Ivan Somolo oya mweke uyu kuria ateti kunyitanira hari kuregana na uteti utari kihariro na wagayukano niguo kurumia urumwe na uiguano wa bururi.
And you know these things of 2-term, 1-term, half-term, mid-term, those things really should not characterize our politics, because whether it's 2-term or 1-term or half-term or full-term or mid-term, it's irrelevant. What is relevant to Kenyans is sure working, is school capitation released on time, and our children being fed in school.
Nigio molo no ete mweke uyu kuria Kenya kwaga kuhura uteti wa kumagayukania kuringana na icigo ciao ona kana nduriri ciao amwino niyo njira huthu ya gucogera uthu.
You're hearing a lot of politics around regionalization. Nyanza hold together as a community, Central Kenya hold together, the coast hold together. You're hearing the northeastern community saying we hold together. Holding together for development and for progress is very good, but holding together so that we can drive tribal narratives is really not right.
Mitha ota ino no eratafanirio kanitha-ini wa Gatoreki wa Holy Family Basilica ona kuo gukwetekia makinyitanira gukungwira muthi wa bata hari mukristiano wothe wa guciarwo kwa muhonokia.
Give your heart to Jesus Christ. Let Jesus Christ find a living place in your heart. Let Jesus Christ find a living place in your family, in your household, in your house. Let Jesus Christ find a place there.
No icera ritu THIBITARIINI wa PUMWANI rigatucorera mbicere na utiganu na miaka iria ingi kuria gutaragwo tukenge turia tuciaritwo na muthi wa Christmas na kuria gukinyiria mathaini ma hakuhi gukia kwa utuku wa umuthi gutire ciana igo ciaritwo undu uria cungiriirio ni mugomo wa aruti a wira guku. Ona kuri uguo atumia aria meheirwo muno ni maratangikirwo kwa muhiano tugicemania na muciari uyu uri urarikitie kuohoka ciana igiri cia mahatha ndagika nini mbere ya thaa thita cia muthi wa Christmas uri utanahitha gikeno giake.
I'm so happy to have my twins, a boy and a girl. I thank God for the gift for these Christmas gifts. My boy child is Harris and the girl one is Harriet.
Hadi ni Kameme TV, Retoro ni Bataru wa Mwagi.